Get rid of the shackles of mundane with indomitable willpower. Looking to the future with far-sighted vision. Goneng lighting lights up the beauty of life. Focusing on the lighting field, Goneng Lighting started its entrepreneurship in 2010 to forge ahead. As China's economy constantly developing, the car ownership and average vehicle age continuously increase in China, and the demand for aftermarket maintenance of automobiles increase rapidly. As people pay more and more attention to the quality of life, car owners will have higher requirements for automobile maintenance and repair, in which professional hardware requirements will be further reflected.
在汽车后市场养护行业，传统灯光产品的造型比较简单，装修效果没有跟汽车养护等相关需求产生连接，或者是无法达到节能环保的作用，安装麻烦，人工成本高。而实质上对汽车喜美维修店面照明效果起着关键性作用。传统灯光照明亮度不达标，光衰严重，影响施工，容易造成很多车主用户体验感不佳。
In 2016, Goneng Lighting People opened up a new field of aftermarket lighting of automobiles, with innovative products deeply rooted in the market. Then created the brands Hofang Gaoneng and Goneng, relying on the corporate mission, create values for customers, create opportunities for employees, and create benefits for the society. Goneng Lighting People have developed rapidly like a dark horse within just 3 years, taking the lead in the aftermarket lighting industry of automobiles. Goneng Lighting has made tremendous contributions to aftermarket image upgrading and transformation of automobiles.
从一开始，我们着眼于客户的体验，高能人坚信市场的考量既是最重要的审核标准，坚持以客户的需求为导向，在产品的更新中，针对每一位用户的不同需求进行不断的优化与完善。
Goneng Lighting focuses on professionalism and in-depth research and development, with more than 60 product patents. It has formed the sales service system covering both at home and abroad, with more than 600 distributors and agents. The Gaoneng series of car dealing lighting are designed to restore the original color of the finish, so that construction technicians can efficiently perform the construction and deliver automobiles to the customer's satisfaction. We strive to create professional lighting for our customers and use them to transform effective traffic for our customers. Unique visual effect can achieve the effect of traffic introduction. DIY assembly pattern design saves more than 60% decoration costs than traditional ones. With energy conservation and environmental protection under the premise of the same power, it saves more than 70% of energy than traditional lamps. It has shock protection and high safety performance. With independent design of the control system, it is more convenient for after-sale replacement. More rest assured with patent protection. There are more than 100 different types of products at various workshops, with diversified options, supporting for private custom designs, and providing market control based on the regional designated agency system. Moving forward, keeping innovate. In the future, Goneng will continue its iteration and upgrading in the aftermarket lighting industry of automobiles to create greater values. With the company's core values of patriotism, innovation, and win-win, we will move forward to become an international lighting brand under the guidance of the party and national innovation strategies. Gaoneng Lighting. Focus on lighting design and manufacturing